Did you hear that?
What? Oh man, it's clogged. I need to check the pipes.
Ooh, fruits! I love eating fruits, but they always make me kind of gassy.
Huh? What was that? Wait, was that you?
Wait, you were here the whole time?
Yeah.
That wasn't me. Tony just came by.
What? I didn't hear Tony.
He went that way. Let me go get him real quick.
Summer body fail.
I'm gonna start working on my summer body. Do you want to join me, Lily?
That's a great idea. How about best body gets $100?
All right, deal. I'm gonna go shopping.
Okay.
Yes. Got some fruit. Got some carrots. Oh, let's try some blueberries. Ugh, blueberries are gross. I'll start that tomorrow. Luckily, I got some chips. This one won't hurt. I wonder what Lily's doing.
3, 4, 5. No, I gotta keep going. Gotta burn it all off.
Guys, I have the best idea. I'm gonna eat this carrot, right? With some soda. I could feel the pounds dropping already.
Ever since I started doing yoga and working out twice a day, I've lost so much weight.
Ooh, almost there.
Max, I lost 10 pounds, but how about you?
I don't know how, but I gained 10 pounds.
10 pounds? Wait, that means I won $100. Pay up.
Man.
Disbelieving Friends.
So what were you doing this weekend? Oh, I was on the phone with my boyfriend.
No way. Amy, you do not have a boyfriend.
Yeah, whatever. I don't believe you.
Really, guys? We met online 6 months ago and we started dating.
Online? Sure, call him then.
Okay, I will. See, I'm calling him right now. Max?
Hello, Max. Pick up.
He's not picking up. Come on, Max. I knew you were lying. Max, pick up, please.
Oh, hey, who's that?
Amy.
Huh?
Surprise, my love. These are for you.
Oh, they're so pretty. Thank you, Max.
Max is real? And he's cute.
And Amy, there's one more thing. Will you marry me?
Yes. Guys, I'm getting married.
Whoa, I can't believe this.
Congratulations, guys.
Embarrassing lookalike.
Okay, I'll meet you at the theater, Max. What should I wear? Ooh, this is cute. Ooh, this looks good. Let's go meet Max. Hey, Max. Huh?
Oh, hey, Lily. This is my friend Stacy.
Hi, Stacy. Are you kidding me?
Let's just go to the movie, okay? Come on. This is so funny. Are they twins?
Hello, Lily? Meet me at the club. Hurry, my friends are waiting for us.
Okay, I'm coming right now. Wait for me outside. Ooh, this is the new dress I got. Alright, I'm gonna be the hottest girl in the club.
Lily, over here. Do you see me?
Oh yeah, I see you.
Hey! Huh? Are you guys wearing the same thing right now?
Are you joking? People are going to make fun of us.
This is so awkward. Again?
Don't worry about it, guys. This happens to me all the time.
Really?
Overconfident Max.
Who's that? Hey, she's kind of cute, right, Stacy?
Oh, you think so? I dare you to get her number.
Oh, easy. Watch this, Stacy. Hey, how's it going?
Can I help you?
I seem to have lost my number. Could I have yours?
My number? Sure. Here you go.
Thanks, I'll give you a call later. Look at that. See, Stacy, I told you I could get it. Take a look.
You got her number? You got her number,
isn't it? Oh man.
Hey everyone! Did you guys enjoy our awkward situation?
Make sure you like and comment your favorite down below.
Subscribe and hit that bell button.
See you in the next video. Bye!